Welcome aboard AI Voyage, fellow adventurers. Today, we are embarking on an extraordinary journey into the realm of autonomous drones, where technology and innovation soar through the skies. Get ready to witness the mesmerizing world of AI in autonomous drones and explore their incredible applications in aerial photography and delivery services. Buckle up and prepare to be amazed. Let's start by briefly explaining what a drone is. A drone, my friends, is a magnificent technological marvel that defies gravity itself. It's a sleek and agile aircraft, guided by the touch of human ingenuity or the brilliance of artificial intelligence. With eyes like cameras and wings like freedom, it soars through the skies, capturing breathtaking vistas and delivering packages with a touch of futuristic elegance. Now, picture this, soaring high above the ground, capturing awe-inspiring landscapes from angles never seen before. Thanks to AI in autonomous drones, aerial photography has reached new heights of creativity and precision. These marvels of technology are equipped with advanced computer vision and image recognition algorithms. They can autonomously identify the perfect moments to capture, adjust camera settings on the fly, and frame the most stunning shots. From epic nature vistas to bustling cityscapes, they immortalize our world in ways that defy imagination. But the magic doesn't stop there. Autonomous drones are revolutionizing the delivery industry too. With their lightning-fast speed and impeccable navigational abilities, they can transport packages swiftly and efficiently to our doorsteps. These high-tech couriers are powered by AI algorithms that enable them to map out the most optimal routes, avoid obstacles in real time, and even adapt to changing weather conditions. They are the futuristic messengers of convenience, ensuring swift deliveries and revolutionizing the way goods reach our hands. The possibilities are endless, my friends. From capturing breathtaking vistas to delivering packages with unrivaled speed, AI in autonomous drones is transforming our world and redefining what's possible. And there you have it, fellow adventurers. We've explored the captivating world of AI in autonomous drones, witnessing how they've become the vanguards of aerial photography and delivery services. The fusion of artificial intelligence and cutting-edge drone technology has unlocked a future filled with infinite possibilities. Thank you for joining us on this exhilarating journey. If you've enjoyed soaring through the skies with us, smash that like button and hit that subscribe bell to join the AI Voyage family. Until next time, happy exploring.